Since its release, the DJI Air 3 has been the topic of much discussion. This drone is attracting interest among aerial photographers and videographers alike since it promises to be an upgraded version of the well-liked DJI Air 2. Everyone is interested in finding out if it lives up to the hype or not. We will give you our frank assessment of the DJI Air 3 to assist you in making an informed choice. In order for you to evaluate if this drone is worth the cost, we will be discussing everything from its design to its performance. The Air 3 is the first device in the Air series to have a dual primary camera system, combining the 1x1.3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1x1.3-inch CMOS 3x medium telecamera into a svelte and portable design. The two cameras give constant image quality and more dynamic imaging possibilities because they have the same sensor size but different focal lengths. Wide-ranging landscapes can be caught more completely with the wide-angle camera. Furthermore, the 3x medium telecamera achieves lossless 3x optical zoom for spatial compression, giving any subject a distinctive viewpoint. Both cameras are able to produce 48MP images with realistic details that look beautiful and enable smooth cropping in post-production for those who require it. Dual native ISO is supported by the two 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensors in the Air 3 for direct output of 4K 60 HDR video without cropping. As a result, footage from either camera may be jam-packed with vibrant coloring and smooth transitions in natural lighting for stunning, very accurate results. The 10-bit D-Log-M and 10-bit HLG color modes are also supported by both cameras. For greater editing freedom, 10-bit D-Log-M mode helps preserve more highlight and shadow details. Without the use of color grading, 10-bit HLG mode can deliver a higher dynamic range and produce superior imaging results. Up to 46 minutes can be spent in the air with Air 3, which is an increase of 48% over Air 2. This gives you plenty of time on a single flight to explore, change compositions, and acquire the photos you desire. The Air 3 has significantly improved transmission performance thanks to the newest Fore HD video transmission system. It has a maximum range of 20 kilometers with improved stability and a live stream at a maximum resolution of 1080 at 60 frames per second for ultra-smooth viewing and operation. It has some smart features, such focus track, which keeps you or your subject clearly in the middle of the frame. With innovative camera movement options including rocket, drone, circle, helix, boomerang, and asteroid, quick shots enhance Air 3. When shooting vertical footage with dual cameras on the Air 3, which enables 2.7K vertical shooting, subjects or landscapes will appear exceptionally dynamic. The last feature is Master Shots, which enables Air 3 to quickly and easily create cinematic video by automating a variety of camera movements, shooting many clips, and editing them with music, edits, and effects. After careful review, we can certainly state that the DJI Air 3 lives up to the hype and is definitely a purchase that both amateur and expert drone fans should make. It's lightweight, portable, and constructed with premium materials for long-lasting use. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.